Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on how to improve your teaching in terms of the updated English language secondary education program. I will give you a series of PPP with plenty of good advice on how to achieve some of the learning objectives, and I'm going to give you some great ideas on how to successfully bring the Grade 1 learning objectives from the course plan into your classroom. So, now let's take a look at some of the learning objectives from the Grade 1 course plan. Let's look at Term 1, Unit 2, My School. Our learning objective here is for reading. Grade 1, R1, recognise initial letters in names and places. So, how can teachers organise their activities? The learning objectives for this lesson might be that all learners will be able to recognise 50% of the initial letters with pictures correctly. Most learners will be able to recognise 80% of the initial letters with pictures correctly. And some learners will be able to recognise 100% of the initial letters with pictures correctly. You might ask, how can I teach reading in Grade 1? It's easy. We're going to show you how. What do children like most? You're right, playing games. So, for a pre-teaching activity, we recommend that you play a game that is called The Chain. Put your students into a circle and then, one by one, have them match the pictures with the initial letters correctly in order to revise the My School theme and to practice school object vocabulary. For this activity, you may create your own cards. Now, students will play a game called Pass the Snowball. The snowball, of course, will not be real snow. It can be easily made out of paper. That way, it won't hurt anybody and it's easy to use. First of all, you say the letter, and students have to say the word connected with the topic school, starting with this letter as quickly as they can, and then pass the snowball to the next student in the circle. For example, you might say B. Then your learners will respond book, bag, basketball, etc. Your students will start reading by recognising the initial letters and realise that reading is fun. This idea was created by one of our NIS English teachers. This was one of our ideas. We invite you to add your own. Thank you for your attention and good luck.